Hey guys, in my previous video I showed how to create a basic checkpoint system in Roblox Studio. In this video we're going to improve that system by adding checkpoint effects, particles, sound, and a reset button. Inside each checkpoint we add a sound and a particle emitter. These will activate when the checkpoint is reached. Turn off enabled. Feel free to customize the particles if you want a cooler visual effect. Open the toolbox and search for a sound to use for the checkpoint. Make sure the sound is inside the checkpoint part, not inside the particle emitter, and rename it to checkpoint sound so the script can detect it. Also rename the particle emitter to particles so the script can detect it. Now we're going to update the main checkpoint script. Go ahead and delete the old one, and we'll replace it with a new version. Insert a screen GUI with a text button and customize it however you like. This will act as the reset button. Next, insert a local script inside the text button. Go to ReplicatedStorage, insert a remote event, and rename it to ResetCheckpoint. Finally, copy the sound and particle effect and add them to all of your checkpoints. Thanks for watching.